Welcome to ESL Community. You study English, you learn all the words, you watch all the videos, but sometimes you still make mistakes. And it's okay. That's why in today's lesson, I will show you 5 common English mistakes and how to fix them. These mistakes are small, but when you fix them, your English will sound much better. Ready? Let's start. Which sentence is correct? He go to school or he goes to school. The correct answer is he goes to school. This is one of the most common mistakes in English. Many learners forget the small s, but native speakers notice it immediately. When you forget it, the sentence sounds incomplete. Why? In present simple tense, when we use he, she, or it, we must add s to the verb. It's a small letter, but it makes your English sound correct. So instead of saying he go, she go, and it go, which are all wrong, you say he goes, she goes, and it goes. Small letter, big improvement. It's very common to hear ESL learners say things like, I, am, agree, but that is incorrect. Instead, you say, I agree. Sometimes learners add the word am because they are thinking about their own language. When you say I am agree, it sounds strange to native speakers, almost like two verbs are fighting in the sentence. Keep it simple. I agree. I understand. I remember. Clean, clear, and natural. This is one of the most embarrassing English mistakes because it can change what you're saying about yourself. Sometimes learners say something like, I am boring. But what that really means is that you make other people bored and that you are not interesting. Usually, you'd want to say, I am bored. Boring is something that causes boredom, and bored means you feel boredom. Think about it like this. If a movie is boring, you feel bored. If you say, I am boring, you are saying people feel bored because of you. Now, you know. I am boring in class is incorrect. I am bored in class is correct. Be careful. This one is very important in conversations. Sometimes learners try to make a sentence stronger. They want to show something is much better or much worse. But when they try to make it stronger, they accidentally create a grammar mistake. Learners say things like, this is more better, but the correct way to say it is just, this is better. Some adjectives already have a special comparative form. For good, it's better. For bad, it's worse. For far, it's farther. These words already show comparison. They already mean more. So when you say more, better, you are comparing twice. It sounds unnatural and incorrect immediately. If the word already changes by itself, do not add more in front of it. Now you fix it. Instead of saying, this is more worse, you say, this is worse. Instead of saying, my English is more better now, you say, my English is better now. Remember, one comparison is enough. This mistake happens very often, even to intermediate learners. The word people looks singular. It looks like one thing. So many learners think it uses is, but this is where the mistake happens. The mistake is, people is friendly, but the correct way to say it is, people are friendly. People may look singular, but it is actually plural. It means many persons, more than one. So we always use are, never is. If you say people is, native speakers will notice it immediately. It sounds grammatically wrong. Think of it like this: person is one, People is many, and many always uses are. So instead of saying people is nice here, you say people are nice here. Instead of people is waiting outside, you say people are waiting outside. Remember, people is plural, and plural uses are, not is. You now know some of the most common English mistakes, and more importantly, how to fix them. Remember, mistakes are not bad. They help you grow. Fix one mistake at a time, and your English will sound more natural every day. This is ESL Community, and I'll see you in the next lesson.